Praise the Lord! Welcome to the Kids Bible Crafts channel. Today we will learn to make a craft to show the story of Cain and Abel, the offering that was accepted by the Lord and what happened later. These are all the materials that we need to make this craft. Glue gun is optional if you have the glue, and you need a carton box. Take the carton box and cut the front and top part of the box just like this. Then wrap it with a color paper or a gift wrapper of your choice. I have used blue and green gift wrappers and wrapped it around like this. Take 2 white paper cups and color it in green. I have used a black crayon and then used a black marker to make rock-like appearance to build the altar. For Cain and Abel, this is the layout that you can draw on a white sheet, color it and cut it in that shape. Now make a lamb cutout just like this out of a cardboard, and then this is how the Cain and Abel cutout looks like. Make a slit in one of the 2 paper cups with a craft knife and then stick the lamb cutout to a popsicle stick. Apply some glue on the lamb and then place some cotton balls over it to make the lamb, and then insert it into the slit. Stick the Cain and Abel cutouts to the back of the box just like this. Apply some glue at the bottom and stick the 2 paper cups just like this. Then make a fire cutout out of white sheet, color it and cut it in that shape, and then stick it to a popsicle stick just like this. So for Cain, the offering was fruits and vegetables. I have used the Play-Doh to make the vegetables: peas, strawberries, peppers, green peppers, red peppers, banana, etc., and then one brown plate or basket to hold it. Cain was a farmer, a tiller of the ground, and he brought an offering of the fruit of the ground to the Lord. Abel was a shepherd, and he brought of the firstborn of his flock and of their fat. The Lord respected Abel and his offering. Cain was very angry. He did not do well and so was not accepted. God warned Cain that sin lies at the door and his desire is toward him, but he should rule over it. Cain sinned and so went out from the presence of the Lord. Here we go. This is how the final craft looks like. Cain and Abel with their offerings and the Lord accepting Abel's offerings. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified once I publish a video. Thank you.